Hello friends, my name is Radhika Ballada. This video is our project work of MCA and my topic is operator in Java. So let's start with types of operators. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, assignment operators, instant of operators. Okay, now let's start describe about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expression is same way that they are used in algebra. Assume integer variable a hold 10 and variable b hold 20. First of all, arithmetic operators in type. Additions add value on either side of the operator. For example, a addition b will give answer is 13. Second, subtraction. Subtraction right hand operand from left hand operand. For example, a subtract b will give answer is 10. Third, multiplication. Multiples value on either side of the operand. For example, a multiplication b will give answer is 200. For division. Division left hand operand by right hand operand. For example, b division a will give answer is 2. Fifth, modules. Divide left hand operand by right hand operand and return remainder. A module b will give answer is 0. Next one, increment. Increment the value of operand by 1. For example, b increment give answer is 21. Next one, decrement. Describe the value of operand by 1. b give answer is 19. Okay, so let's description about next is relational operators. There are following relational operators supported by the language. Assume variable a hold 10 and variable b hold 20. Operator in equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So first start equal to. Check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, a equal to b is not, answer is true. Next one, not equal to. Check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If value are not equal, then condition becomes true. For example, a not equal to b is answer is true. Next one, greater than. Check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, a greater than b is not, answer is true. Next one, less than. Check if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. A less than b is answer is true. Next one, greater than or equal to. Check if the value left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, a greater than or equal to b is answer is not true. Next one, less than or equal to. Check if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. For example, a less than or equal to b is true. Okay, now let's description about the logical operators. Assume William a variable a hold true and variable b hold false. Logical operators are three types: logical and, logical or, logical not. First of all is logical AND. Call logical AND operator if both the operand are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. For example, A logical and B if answer is false. Next one is a logical OR. Call logical OR operator if any of the two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. For example, A logical or B is answer is true. Next one, logical NOT. Call logical NOT operator use the reverse the logical state operand. If the condition is true, then logical not operator will make false. For example, logical not A logical and B is answer is true. Thank you, friends.